Hi DIYers, this is Michael from AlarmGrid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disable exit sounds on a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. Now, exit sounds, when you go to arm your system, typically arming away is when you'll get the most sounds. It wants you to know that you've armed your system away, and you need to make sure that everybody leaves the building immediately, or else you are at risk of tripping an interior sensor and causing a false alarm on your system. So it produces sounds to let you know, hey, you've armed your system, get out of here. The exit delay is counting down. You need to hurry up. When you arm stay, it will also do an arm stay announcement. It'll just say arm stay. You can also get the same verbal announcement arm away if you arm away. But you can actually disable all these sounds. So I want to show you what it sounds like if you have them not disabled, enabled, so to speak, or if you have them disabled. Now you have a couple of options for doing this. I'm going to show you the main way to do this. It's to manually toggle the exit delay sounds, the exit sounds on your Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or IQ Panel 2 Plus system. The downside of this one is that you will need to do it every time. It won't stay disabled. You'll have to choose the option every time. But just to show you, we're at the main screen of the Qolsys IQ Panel 2, and we're going to click the button to
ARM system type.
So it's asking us to choose the ARM system type, and so we'll turn off exit sounds right there. Just click the up button. And actually, I should show you, we have our menu expanded already, but typically you'll reach the menu like this. This is how it will appear on your system, and you need to click the right arrow over here. And then that's where you'll get the exit sound option. So we have ours off. You see that it's slightly grayed out and it is reading off. And if I arm away, it's not going to make any sound. Okay? It's just going to do the typical countdown. So we're just going to cancel that right there. Now I want to show you what happens if you do it while it is enabled, with the sounds enabled.
Select ARM system type.
I'm going to choose arm away.
Away mode selected.
And you see we get this reoccurring beeping. It said that away mode had been selected. So we're having sounds that could bother your pets. Maybe it bothers your loved one. Your kids get upset when they hear the beeping. So you can prevent all that by just choosing the exit sound option every time, and then you get nothing. No sound. Nothing at all. So that's good. But you will have the sound when you come back into programming, or not programming, when you come to when you come to disarm your system later. You still will get the entry delay letting you know, hey, you've tripped a sensor, you need to disarm your system before an alarm occurs. And so while the exit delay disabling the exit delay sounds doesn't extend the exit delay period, it doesn't double it, doesn't increase it or anything, you do still have the option to manually increase the exit delay sounds. Just to show you again, if we turn them off, and you can do this while they're on or off, but we'll show you again with it off, and we're arming, we get no sounds. I'm going to click this plus 60 button right here to extend the exit delay. It is going to make a verbal announcement, but there's not much we can do about it. But if we were running behind, we forgot something inside, and we needed to extend our exit delay,
extended.
We still have the option of extending it just in case we need to. Now, with this option, by doing it this way, you will need to press the exit sounds button off every single time you go to arm your system.
Select ARM system type.
As you can see, like it's still on there, like it's on. We have to literally do that every time. And there is another way to do it without having to press that button every time, but it's a little bit more of an extreme option. It involves unplugging the speaker from the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 system, and I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to unplug the speaker from the Qolsys IQ Panel 2. We have the speaker here, and this is the wire that leads up to the connector, and there's the plug for the speaker. And to unplug it, you just take it and unplug it. You pull it out. So that's how you unplug the speaker from the Qolsys IQ Panel 2. I do want to caution you, that if you unplug the speaker for the Qolsys IQ Panel 2, you will be disabling all sounds for the system, all menu sounds, and also all sirens, all alarms. So your system will be completely muted. And if you really want to have the exit sounds disabled, that is a fine option, but you know, you're not going to have any fire alarms, you're not going to have any burglary intrusion alarms. So you might want to add an external siren. The IQ Siren is a great option. It's a Z-Wave siren that you can easily pair with the IQ Panel 2. and that way you can still have alarms for your system without having any panel sounds, including any exit delay sounds. So that can be this can be a really good option, unplugging the speaker, if you don't want to have to toggle that that exit sound option every time you leave, every time you arm away or arm stay for that matter. So that can be an option. But that's how you disable exit sounds on a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. If you have any questions about the IQ Panel 2 Plus or about alarm monitoring, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.